Ever wish you could actually want to study? Imagine craving textbooks or watching just one more episode of your favorite show. Sounds impossible, right? That's what I thought too, until I hacked my brain into loving studying. No, I didn't meditate in a cave for 5 years or drink some magical productivity tea. I just used science to rewire my brain. And now I'm handing those tricks over to you. These are 6 hacks that make your brain crave studying like it's a guilty pleasure. Step 1. Dopamine hijack. Make studying as addictive as social media. Your brain is a dopamine junkie. It craves instant rewards. Here's how to hijack your dopamine system. Temptation bundling. Pair studying with something you already love. Only listen to your favorite playlist while studying. Only drink your favorite coffee or snack during study sessions. Only sit in your favorite cozy spot if you're actually working. Your brain starts linking studying with good vibes. Before you know it, you're hooked. Mini rewards. Trick your brain into craving study wins. Every time you finish a chapter, eat a piece of chocolate. Get through 30 minutes, scroll for 3 minutes, then get back. Use an app timer to keep it strict. Use a physical to-do list and check things off. The dopamine hit is real. The trick is instant gratification. Your brain needs to see the rewards to stay addicted. Step 2. The one more thing effect. Trick yourself into studying longer. Ever told yourself, just one more episode, and suddenly it's 3 a.m.? We're flipping that script. Instead of saying, I have to study for 3 hours, try this. I'll just do 1 page. Boom! Your brain relaxes because it doesn't feel forced. But once you start, it's way easier to keep going. Bonus hack. End your study session midway through something interesting. Your brain will itch to continue. Just like stopping a Netflix episode at a cliffhanger, you won't be able to resist picking it back up. Step 3. Gamify it because your brain loves winning. Why are video games addictive? Constant progress, rewards, and levels. So let's turn studying into a game. XP point system. Give yourself study points every session. 10 XP for completing a Pomodoro session. 50 XP for finishing a chapter. 100 XP for acing a test. At 500 XP, reward yourself with a treat. A movie night, a fancy coffee, whatever works. Level up your studies. Track your progress like a video game leaderboard. Make a study streak calendar and never break the chain. Turn studying into a real-life RPG. Beat the timer. Race against the clock. Set a 25-minute timer and challenge yourself. How much can I finish before time runs out? Your brain will love the rush of a challenge. Step 4. The brainwash yourself method. Make studying feel like your identity. Why do gym lovers actually love the gym? Because they don't just go to the gym. They call themselves gym people. Your identity shapes your habits. So instead of saying, I have to study, say, I'm the type of person who loves learning. It sounds small, but your brain starts believing it. More ways to brainwash yourself into loving studying. Tell people, I actually enjoy studying. Yes, even if you're lying at first. Change your phone wallpaper to something nerdy. Sounds dumb, but it works. Once studying becomes part of your identity, it becomes automatic. Step 5. Make boredom your superpower. Here's a secret. Social media is ruining your focus. If studying feels boring, it's not you. Dopamine detox. Before studying, take 30 minutes away from distractions. No phone, no scrolling. Your brain resets and suddenly studying feels fun again. Use the boredom trick. Before you study, sit in silence for 5 minutes. Your brain will get so bored it wants something to do. Boom, time to study. Low dopamine mornings. Avoid social media right after waking up. This hack reprograms your brain to find studying naturally rewarding. Final takeaway, your study addiction blueprint. Here's your 6-step formula to rewire your brain into loving studying. 1. Hack dopamine. Pair studying with instant rewards. 2. Start tiny. 1 page, 1 sentence, 1 question. 3. Gamify it. XP points, streaks, and timers. 4. Rewire identity. Start seeing yourself as a study person. 5. Detox distractions. Reset your brain to enjoy deep focus. 6. Embrace boredom. Make your brain crave studying. Try just one of these today and watch how your motivation changes. Your next move. Comment below which trick you're going to try. I actually read every comment. We're going even deeper into brain hacks that make studying effortless. Share this video with someone who still thinks studying is boring. They'll thank you in fluent French. Until next time, study smart, not hard.